don't break your tailbone and then try to sit all day. It's not easy. Tires are about a dirty, thankless job. Afternoon, guys. Tell me if you notice a difference between these tires and these tires. Maybe lines between the tread. Maybe the tread itself. It's weird, but I don't like that. So I just want to give a shout out to K&E Services in Mount Carmel. If you're in southern Utah and need some tires, Ev will hook you up. Master Tracks. Low pros for the step deck, 255s, which are the worst tires to change. The more sidewall, the more flex, the easier they are to change. We got a little trucking to do and get some hay to Vegas. Just some running around, just normal loads. We don't want to be blowing that out. So we're gonna change them today. And I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I need to order some more hubcaps. The truck is all shiny now. And you can just pop them out to check your hubs, check your oil. I think they'd look really good if the trailer matched the truck. Yeah, it probably would. I probably should get on Mighty Products and order me another set so the trailers match the truck. Because, yeah, it's bad enough. They need to match. So, go to Mighty Products, check our link out, MTA FL 10, I believe, close to that. It'll be in the description, but yeah, the trailer needs to match the truck. Got to get these old hubcaps off. I'll have to get some pliers. These old push-ons, they rust on and then you can't get them off. I really like the thread-on ones. Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, let's get some tires so we can go load some hay, do a little trucking. Get all these off, then we're changing tires. Gotta love trucking. Always maintenance. Heck yeah. Wow. We better go see where the air compressor's at.
Do you even have that jacked up?
I did about 3 hours ago when I was gonna do this. It may have bled off. There we go.
That's alright, I was helping Ev change the tire. He told me, don't use that jack, it bleeds off.
So you used
I
it.
grabbed it.
I went a little high because I figured the new ones would be taller. Apparently this one doesn't bleed off. Alright. There we go. Money right there. Look at that new tread. The port of entry would even like that.
They wouldn't even stop you. They say, man, he's got new tires, just keep going.
His lights, on the other hand.
Just don't turn your blinkers on.
Turn the high beams off. This is the part where we let the air compressor build up and switch jacks. %50 of the way. I guess we do this side now. Attaboy, Riley. What's wrong? You have that look like we forgot something.
Oh, I can't remember which one's the inside tire.
The dirtier one. This one.
Okay.
This one's inside. Again, just want to tell Ev thanks. Master Tracks. We didn't even use starting fluid,
Not this
which
time.
I was sad about because I kind of wanted to. If you remember the drive tires on the semi, we got to use a couple cans of starting fluid. Maybe because it was winter, I don't know. But it's kind of nice to just mount a tire, pump it up. Life's good. Tires are about a dirty, thankless job. But you know what? That was so much better than changing them halfway up Highway 20. Because I did that just a couple years ago. Blew one out. There's one under the middle of the trailer up front. If you need it. There's bars in the truck and it sucked, but we got it done. This was way better. Thank you, Riley. He's left. He definitely helped a bunch. Appreciate friends coming by and helping out. Thank you, Ev. K&E Services. You guys are gonna keep us trucking for a minute. Now, one more thing, as always. Go load some hay. Let's go test them out. Next couple of days, not sure when it'll be, but we'll get in the old truck and we'll head out, go get a load of hay, see how the tires do. I bet they do great. All right, guys, we're back in the saddle in the old Pete. Me and Rhett just came for a little ride. Don't break your tailbone and then try to sit all day. It's not easy. We made her here. I think the tires held up pretty well. Rolled right on down the road. We got a bunch of rain over the weekend. Cleaned things up. Oh yeah, we still got tread. Enough tread it's grabbing rocks. That's nice. So we've got some hay from last year right here. And we need to get it moved. It's still tarped. So we gotta cut a tarp loose. We'll have to count some hay bales. See how far to cut it. See if the old tractor, the old Massey that we used last time, I'm sure she'll fire up. And then get this hauled out for our neighbor so he can feed his cows this spring. Coming, Rat. All right, let's see it. It's been a minute since we sat in here. Oh yeah. Hold on, I'm getting back out. Oh, don't die. Don't die. Come on. What's on blue? Fans on. There we go. That's the one we're looking for. Ice cold. Okay, let's move a tarp. See if we can't get this truck loaded. 63 of these little buggers because they're short, so we can get an extra row. Seven long. Got a 6, but oh well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half the stack. Okay, 8 times 8 is 64 minus 2. I should be close. Oh boy, the old toolbox is working. That is a nice box. Top deck's loaded, but a lot of times when you push this hay, like we'll catch that bale, you gotta be careful. And it's not level, we're coming uphill, so you're fighting down. See how that's leaning? Anyways, we're gonna throw some straps on these two. 3x3s just do not stack. They're just tippy little buggers, all there is to it. I don't like strapping them all because you want to push them tight from the end. But these first ones, we're going to strap them.
What are you open, Dad? What, Dad? You open?
Got that one on. Hey, Bass. Okay. Put these on, we'll go pull them tight. We'll throw another one.
How do we don't put this into the top?
Okay. Go on the other side, bud.
Okay.
Other side. Woo! All strapped on. 80 degrees in Panguitch, man. It's going straight from spring to winter, spring to winter. Now we might be hitting summer. It's getting hot. All those tires still look brand new. 50 miles on them. They better look brand new. It's a good looking load of hay. That bale was outside, but the tarp did good. Bottom bales have a little bit on them. That'll feed up pretty nice. So I'm tired. It's been a long old day. Let's get rolling out of here, shift some gears, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Let me in.
Putting my jacket on.
Oh,
I would have used it there. Dad,
good idea.
look. This one. Dad, you know, you do that.
These tires are rolling right down the road. If you're in Southern Utah, check out K&E Services. Ev, he'll take care of you. If you guys need tires, big trucks, cars, light pickups, he's got them. So go check out K&E Services.
More.